In today's video, I am going to show you how to check Google Forms responses. You can easily view and analyze responses submitted through Google Forms by following these steps. Go to Google Forms and open the form for which you want to check responses. Click on the Responses tab at the top of the form. Here you will see the number of responses and 3 view options. Summary provides overall response trends with charts. Question shows responses grouped by each question. Individual tab displays responses one by one. You can also click on the Google Sheets icon in the Responses tab. This will create a linked spreadsheet where all responses are stored. It will enable you to now view, sort, filter, and analyze responses easily.